When you go to set up a LinkedIn account, it'll ask you to import add contacts. So you see contacts over here on the left. So if I click on that, it'll basically make a prospect sheet of every single contact that I've ever created via Gmail or Google, and also on my phone. These are people that I can contact directly that I already have a pre-existing relationship. So rather than going out to the market and going to cold prospects, these are people that you already have access to. Now, if we go to phone contacts, you'll see that I have 789 contacts just in my phone. So I can just farm this list and go through 789 people and go, okay, who could be a great fit for the problems that we solve with our offer? Or who was a past prospect that wasn't ready at a particular point in time that could have that problem now? Or who's got access to people that have this problem that we could help them solve? So these are all your contacts are from newest to oldest. So you'll see the hottest and most targeted, and then you just keep scrolling down the list and look at each opportunity. Go, is that a fit? Is that someone that can help me get access to a client, be a client, or otherwise? And work your way through all of them. And in that, I'm assuming several hundreds of people, you're going to find new client opportunities or conduit to client opportunities every single time. So start there when you're looking for a new client. So questions in the comments below.